feel like vlogging today. I ain't gonna front, it's a little chilly today. It's like 58 degrees. This like the first time I had to wear like a jacket and some pants. I've been wearing my cutoff shirts. I've been trying to wear them for as long as I can, but it's getting a little chilly and my hair is sweaty, so I had to put my hood on. What do I have to do today? I was gonna go run to the store real quick. Ooh. Yeah, I need to go get some face wash because this... What is this? See, it's gotta be the weather. Like, it was just hot, now it's cold. Like, I'm breaking out. Look at the... Oh my God, this is crazy. This came out of nowhere. I gotta go to the store. I'm going right now. Turn this car on because I can't be walking around looking like this. Yeah, let me leave this hood on. What we got? I got treatment. It's 12:52. I got treatment at 2 o'clock. Yeah, I got time. So, what should I eat for dinner? What should I eat? I don't want to eat McDonald's again. I need to make some food. I had spaghetti the last 2 days. I think I got like enough for one more plate. So I'm about to run to the store real quick, see what I could grab. I really don't know. I could try to make my pasta. Yeah, I'm gonna try to make my pasta. So what you gotta do is you gotta get some cream. What's it called? Like the cream, the heavy cream, whipping cream, you know, that kind of cream. Then you gotta, I'm gonna get like some carrots, broccoli. Damn, this shit is crucial. But I'm gonna get like some carrots, some broccoli, maybe corn, just like some veggies, you know. Green peppers might be good in that, I don't know. And make the Parmesan cheese in the sauce with the heavy cream and some noodles. So it'll be like a white sauce pasta basically. So I'm gonna go to the store, grab that, and then head on to treatment. See what else I got in store for the day. We'll see. I don't know. It's a little chilly and I don't really like being outside when it's cold. It's only 58, but it's that it feels really cold. It actually feels cold. But yeah. I'm fed up. Lost money till some violence fuck my head up. Heard your girl, she niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out Sushi Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rats get too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in some picture, bro. They look bro, hit this dick and start getting low. I spent time on the rats on the Lambo and didn't even know how to make them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. Keep this follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise, God to the period. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with slides and no gunner bus. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last, I know I can up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Hit the rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rats, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. We can hit after he call me very fun. But it's Christmas, I brought everybody. Guns and choppers and infants for everyone. Take the roof on
out the collar, the feel the sun. I'm broke, see his pop, I 5,000 months. Got this bitch out the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in a gut. Nigga gon' rock on my collar, we stacking up wallow and wallow. I'm trying to get it mega book. See them drip, little nigga, best watch your stuff. This top shelf, got 40 designer belt. OPF, still at the new BM up. They gon' dump, got clothes in my right or left. And you can't go to car, ain't no key in there. Just put lost in they pockets, get out of there. They gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat it like a tire, I keep a spell. On the stuff because I'm worried. Check the tracks, I'm counting more fake. Young Scott, Scarlet, Smoothie, and a present. 150 flying, Richard Melo. I'ma put the game into his empty. Look, cause I'm spitting flavor to his empty. I am not a killer, but don't tell me. I'm spending rate 5,000 to a 50. Oh, he eating up. I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that trip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can...
Look at this. It's definitely breakfast time. This is crazy. That's crazy. Never seen that before. Ooh, nice view. Yeah, this is a nice view for real. There's supposed to be a pool up here. Oh yeah, it's nice. It's nice up here. I should have been came up here. We out here in Gran Canary. It's the city. But yeah, we got the Super Cup this week. We about to start our tournament. So we start today. I've been showing y'all views of the city because I've never been here before. It's like a whole different island. It's not even really connected to Spain, but it's like close to Africa. So I like the view. They say it's like a vacation spot. So I just came up and checked out the pool. It's very hot out here. It's like 85 degrees. But yeah, so we play today. Then we play tomorrow if we win today. And we get the Super Cup trophy. It's really just a tournament just to get the season started. It's not really for anything really, I guess, sort of bragging rights. I don't know. I've never played in the Super Cup. This is going to be my first time. So excited to see what the atmosphere is like. I played in the cup and it was pretty cool. Atmosphere, it was packed. Like I haven't seen like our games packed like that since I've been in college. But I'm sure it's gonna be a good atmosphere. So today, hopefully we get the dub. And then tomorrow we're playing the championship, and I'll be able to show y'all like a few clips from that. Hopefully, if not, it's cool. I mean, just know we got more to work on, but I'll be happy either way. Just excited to come out here and experience new things because I've never been here before. But you see that view in the back? It's nice. But yeah, earlier we celebrated Bria's birthday. It was her birthday today. So we gotta get the dub for her. And yeah, I'm just keep inserting clips. It's gonna be hard to really vlog for real because I'm gonna be getting ready for the game. But just throw clips in here or there. So yeah, this vlog just whatever I can get for real. So I'm just loving this view out here. It's crazy. It's nice.
way.
It wasn't no shade out there. When today? Before the game?
Yeah, I might get something.
Oh, they got the. This is pretty good for a hotel.
It's a double view. That's like my spot in Minnesota. It has like a lake view. And you have like a sauna and you sit in the sauna and you see the view.
What's this? Oh, they got the speakers? Oh, this is a bathroom. You can work out and watch and look at the view. That's fire. It's cool.
I'm just so funny. You don't really pause and now you don't want to pause.
Yo, what's good? Man, it's been a long travel day. It's about 3 a.m. right now. I just made it to Adana. We've been traveling since 6 a.m. No, like 7. It's around like 7:45 a.m. So we flew from Gran Canary Islands back to Madrid, then from Madrid to Istanbul, and then from Istanbul to Adana, and we just made it here. It's been a long travel day, and we got our next game. What is today? The 3rd? On the 4th. So we got hopefully we get some rest. Like, it's the night over with this morning, and then we got practice later. So I mean, it's been a long travel day, but it's all right. Just something that comes with, the game. So hopefully we can shake back and get some good rest, because we didn't finish too well last game. We ended up losing by 5 in the championship. We started out rough for real, but we came back and we ended up losing by 5. It really was a 3-point game, but we didn't get the 3 off at the end, and then we had to foul, so that made it a 5-point game in the end. But we fought back. We didn't, like I said, we didn't start too well in the game, but we ended up making it more of a game towards the end. But it's still early, like I said earlier. If we didn't win, it's all right. We just know we got more to work on. Like, it's still early. We're a new team. They've kind of been together for a minute, like a few years. Like that team, they won a championship last year. So I mean, I wouldn't say it was expected, but it was a good challenge for us to start the season. Like, now we need to see what intensity we need to play with and how to play with each other. And when we get into those situations, like how to come out on top. And I think we fought through adversity pretty well. It's like I said, it's good to go through adversity quick or early in the season. But with all the flights, we're just hoping that our bags made it to Adana, because that was the last flight was kind of a quick turnaround. And I'm watching some of these Turkish people, their bags are like broken, and they're going off on these people. I already know how it is, because I played in Turkey for like 4 years, and the of stuff you have to deal with here is crazy. But I ain't gonna lie, when we landed in Istanbul, it kind of felt good to be back. I like Istanbul. I like Turkey. It felt good just being back here. Just because I've been I ain't been in Spain for that long, but I just been here, like I said, the past 4 years. So this is kind of all I know. I kind of miss it. So it's good to be back here. Hopefully I see some people that I've known throughout the years from playing here. I know a few people say they're gonna come to the game. Excited to see them. It should be a good game. We play. The team is called. The city is Mersin, but the team is Cukurova, and they're pretty good. They always have like a pretty good squad, so it's gonna be a good game. Y'all can. I'm excited because I haven't played in Euroleague. It's a Euroleague game, so I'm excited to see what that's all about. But I was just checking in, 3 a.m. trying to finish out this vlog. But yeah, like I said, overall it's been a pretty good trip despite the loss. Been some ups and downs trying to figure out my place and my role in the team. But like I said, it's still early. We all trying to figure out what's going on. I'm guessing that's what's going on, but I'm gonna stay positive. Get ready for the next game. It's a new day. Don't worry about what happens back then. Yeah, so I just got on the bus. Now, after 24-hour travel to Turkey, you see the Turkish flag. We have an hour and a half bus ride to Mersin. So I just got on the bus. It's 3:12. Let's see what time we get there. Yeah, I was trying to get a video out of people when we got out the airport. There was so many people standing outside. Like, I don't know what they were doing. I don't remember that. But yeah, everybody talking. Oh, I see a dog running across the street. Hold on, let me see if I can show you. It's always dogs and cats just everywhere around here. I haven't been to Adana in a minute. I played in Adana my 3rd year overseas, so I haven't been here in a while. This was my first team that I played in Turkey with. But yeah, they have dogs just everywhere. It's just kind of weird. Like, I don't really see that many places, just dogs and cats just laying around. Like, I went to the spa one time to get a massage, and it was just a dog just in there chilling on the couch next to me, and it was just petting it like it was their pet, and it was just a stray dog. So yeah, Turkey got a lot of weird things going on, but I love it though. I love it out here. And they like, my biggest thing I say is they drive like I'm in Mario, like we're in Mario Kart. Like they don't follow road rules, stop signs, nothing. They just do what they want. They turn from they going turning left, they all the way in the right lane trying to get over. But it's dark right now. You can probably show in the morning when we get there. I'm about to knock out when I get to this hotel. Yeah, probably put a movie on. You see bags under my eyes. I'm about to put a movie on and fall asleep. I'm probably only gonna get through like 10 minutes because I am tired. Get back with y'all though. Made it to Mersin. Nice little view. So we had the opportunity to go to Gran Canary Islands. Now we in Mersin. The weather is great, both places. I just woke up for real. It's 5:55. I wish I could have walked over there earlier today, but I was so tired from the travel. As you know, we didn't get in till like 5 a.m. and I was up till like 6. So we'll see what tomorrow looks like for me. And maybe I can go get a better view. But that looks nice. And the hotel's not bad either. I'm about to get ready to head to practice. So I'm gonna get ready for practice right now. And then maybe I'll see what the gym's looking like I'm probably gonna go to the weight room real quick. Try to get a quick workout in because we've been going for a minute. What time is it? It's 5:55. I think I got like maybe 10 minutes. Just a quick lift. I don't want to do nothing too crazy. I just need to do just something quick. Just to make me feel a little strong. I feel a little weak, a little like I've been eating a lot. I don't feel like I've been running as much as I usually have. So I just need to go see what it's looking like, do a little something, and then head to practice, get shots up, probably do scout, and yeah, we'll go from there. Turkish food, 10-20.
Hey, a Mersin specialty, 10-20.
That's what it looks like.
You got some beef in here, for sure. I mean, look, Mississippi.
What else is in it?
You got some beef, you got some onions with tomatoes and parsley.
I think I had this before, actually.
Teşekkürler. Enjoy.
That's my Turkish teammate. She ordered the 10-20 for us.
Man, I don't know.
Tastes good?
I don't know.
Tastes good?
Fire. I don't know. All I know is it's
every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them the lights out right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. And you ain't the for empathy. I'm good in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna show you off. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God,
What I told y'all, there would be cats everywhere. Yeah. Yeah.
A little.
Thank you. Okay.
I just don't like to do we want a shot and then I kind of like this bar.
This is nice, but yeah, I told y'all they be having cats out here.
Like that. Swap. 6 tequila. Swap.
You want 6 tequila?
Yeah.
6 tequila. He said we can take tequilas. Nah.
Let's get 6.
No, bro.
All right.
What'd you say 2?
Just the
Yeah.
Look, the cat came back.
Okay.
You just in the kitchen chilling with old dude.
Yeah, I'm gonna take that. Look at this.
Headed back to where are we going? Madrid, Istanbul. Then we're going to Madrid. It's the bags right here. Then we're going to Madrid. Then we go to, of course, Salamanca. So Istanbul, Madrid. So we got 2 flights. But I ain't gonna lie, my ankle is killing me right now. I rolled it in the game. I didn't think it was that bad, but anyway, it's gonna hurt right now. But this is Mersin, Turkey. Miss it, don't know, the next time I'll be back. But it was cool while it lasted. We started right now, but we're glad we're back on this flight. And the dogs in the same seat.
We're back in the vlog.
Back on the knee.
Taking a little flight to Istanbul. Going to the lounge. And yeah.
Period. Yeah, I'm about to be knocked out right now. So,
I hope so. I knew Dave too good. When I was when we graduated.
they got all design shit in this mall. Gucci, Fendi, everything. Louis over there. Dolce & Gabbana, Burberry. This mall be trying, I said this mall, see what I'm saying? This airport be trying to have you leave broke. Ooh, bro, he gonna walk right in front of me. Excuse me? Damn. Now you don't want to be in the camera. You walk right in front of me. Anyways, I'm gonna just speed past him. But yeah, airport deep as hell though. There's a lot of shit going on in here.